good morning. Welcome back to another beautiful vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing you, do a subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. So guys, this morning let me show you guys outside. Can you guys see outside? Can you guys see the sun? Can you guys see? Say hi, Destiny, from the window. And anyway, so guys, this morning sun came out very well, and I want to make sure I wash my bed spray. I want to change down my bed spray, so I'll wash it first. Then I have to remove my bed cover so that I'll also wash my bed cover, okay? Because lately we've been having gloomy weather, rain, stuff, blah 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 like that. So today that there is sun, I need to use this opportunity. I need to utilize this opportunity no matter how hard it is. So that's what I'm about to go and do right now before I step out this morning. Anyways, let me start playing music first before I do all of that. Yeah. dressed up, and myself and Didi were going out. I didn't make my bed yet because you guys saw when I did all of this removing and washing of other ones that is there. I have another bed spray actually to lay, but I don't have that time to go to where that bed spray is and bring it out right now. So I'll just leave it when I come back. Then I'm going to be bringing it out, then lay my bed. Anyways, have you been enjoying this vlog? Let me know in the comment section. If at this point of this video you've not subscribed to my channel, why haven't you subscribed to my channel? Do well to subscribe, okay? So I was actually thinking of wearing wig, but I'm tired of wig, okay? I don't know. These days I feel I am tired of wigs. So I'll just go with my hair like this, but I'll have to just comb it, then rub my pink lips or my lip gloss, and then I am good to go. I think I'll see you guys at some point of this vlog. If I didn't vlog again, then I'll call this a full wrapped vlog, but I don't think it's going to be wrapped yet. So enjoy the rest of this vlog, whichever one that comes your way, okay? Let me know. Where my husband's wristwatch. I feel like this is too big in my hand, but I'll just wear it today. Let me just do guy with it, okay? If you want to tie it tight, now did I hold you? This is what Didi is wearing. Sweater this hot afternoon. She says she's catching cold or she's feeling cold. I don't even know the English to use. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So we are back. After we finished with what we went for, we have to branch the market, get some things for stew. We want to make stew with goat's meat and then add some vegetables. And that is just going to be like red oil stew, okay? It's not ground oil stew. That's what we went to the market to go and get some stuff for. Anyways, the beauty of solar. There's no light, but you see, I'm enjoying myself. The fan is on. I said, let me talk to you guys before I direct myself to the fan. And you can see more TV. Anyways, don't mind me. I'm just kidding, guys. So, yeah, I think I did not show you guys. Okay, I think that is not in this video, anyways. So, let me know what you guys think about this vlog. And I'll see you guys later. That's how this works. So at this point, we have to come to the kitchen, wash the mangoes because we won't start cooking. You'll be seeing the next upload of the cooking in our next video. So this is me washing the fresh mango. Because I don't like this vlog to be too long.
After washing the mango, we decided to munch on some of the mangoes, and this is us just enjoying. The mangoes were sweet to the point that I can't even express myself. You guys can see how I'm eating it. This is me. This is my life. Okay. Anyways, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with no further ado, I do add like always say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Sonia Onoja, see what I did to this mango. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.